Commercial Driving Rules in the U.S. 2025. Update Hours of Service, HOS, FMCSA Guidelines. Commercial drivers must follow strict time limits to reduce fatigue and ensure road safety. 11-hour driving limit. Max driving time within a 14-hour on-duty window. 14-hour on-duty window. Starts when any work begins, cannot be paused. 10 hours off-duty. Required before starting a new on-duty cycle. 30-minute break. Mandatory after 8 cumulative hours of driving. Weekly limits. 60 hours in 7 consecutive days. 70 hours in 8 consecutive days. Logging and records. Drivers and carriers must use electronic logging devices, ELDs, to track driving and duty hours. Logs must be accurate, accessible, and compliant with FMCSA standards. Vehicle and driver standards, size and weight limits, governed by federal and state laws to prevent overloading and infrastructure damage. Insurance requirements must meet minimum coverage to protect all road users. Vision screening, regular testing required to maintain CDL eligibility. Florida-specific commercial driving rules. Florida adds its own layer of regulations for intrastate drivers. 12-hour driving limit, after 10 hours off-duty. 16-hour on-duty limit, allowed once per 7-day period. Under 21 restriction. Drivers under 21 may only operate within Florida. CDL eligibility, citizenship rule, 2025 update. As of September 29, 2025, FMCSA's interim final rule restricts CDL and CLP issuance to U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents only. States like Texas and Oregon have suspended non-domiciled CDL issuance in response. The rule aims to improve national security and road safety following fatal crashes involving non-domiciled drivers. English proficiency enforcement. Starting June 25, 2025, FMCSA began strict enforcement of English language proficiency, ELP rules. Drivers must be able to read and understand traffic signs in English, converse with law enforcement and inspectors, respond to roadside inquiries without translation tools. Non-compliance results in immediate out-of-service orders during inspections. Why it matters. These rules aren't just bureaucratic. They're designed to prevent fatigue-related crashes, ensure drivers can respond in emergencies, protect infrastructure and public safety, maintain integrity in licensing and hiring practices. Did you like what you learned? Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your questions, and share this video with anyone starting their commercial driving journey. Safe travels!